wanted to show you guys how to set up this Amazon chair that I got. The full name on the title is the ergonomic high back rhombus stitched leather executive chair. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get the base of the chair and flip it upside down. And then the next thing you want to do is essentially get the wheels, and then we're just going to simply click them in, and I'll show you guys how that's done. All you do is simply you push it in, and that's it. So the next step that you're going to do is you're going to grab this right here, and then you're simply just going to grab it and push it in. That's it. So you're going to flip the seat on the ground. You're going to make sure the front sticker is facing you, so that way you're looking at it properly. The next step is going to be grabbing this piece right here. See where it says front? You're going to grab this piece, and you're going to just simply place it like so. And you are going to be essentially aligning. See, there's those parts. You're gonna be aligning these. See, it aligns with that. And then you're gonna be getting this tool set right here that it comes with. Take out the Allen key from here. So you simply push it out, and then pops right out. We can throw that there. And then we're going to be getting the H screw first. So we're gonna take both of them out. See, you just simply push it out, comes right out. Now the H screw is gonna go to the bottom. So we're gonna get the H screw, and we're gonna place it in here. And then we're going to tighten this. So we're gonna tighten it. We're not gonna get too tight. See, I can still kind of, unscrew this myself. The next one that we're gonna get is, let's see here. We're gonna get the I screw. And then again, we're gonna just push it out. It's gonna pop right out. I'm gonna put that in there. So now we're going to start, screwing it more. So we'll screw this in. So the next step that we're gonna do is, we're gonna grab these cables. We'll grab the right one first. We'll start from there. And then what you're going to be doing is essentially you're gonna slide these in like so. And you're gonna just slide it in. And let me show you guys from a better view. And then we're gonna do the same thing for that side. Slides in. Well, your question is, what the heck do we do with the cables? What you do is you simply push them in right here. Simply push them in. So the next thing that we have is this cone right here. It's a 3-piece cone. And then you put it right on top of this. And you just push it down, just like that. The next step is we're going to go back to the seat. Grab the seat, flip it over, and then we're going to insert a chair on top of this. Kind of take a look. All right, guys. So the other thing is you want to use the this clip right here on the right side, see labeled with R. You want to use that to lift the chair as high as possible. Once the chair is elevated, if this thing is kind of like scrunched up like this, the plastic, just simply pull it down, make it even like that. But once you're done, your chair should look like this. The step that we have to do is to tighten the arms to the chair, and then we're not going to tighten them all the way. Okay, so we're going to need the last screws, which is the J screws. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit on my butt, and then I'm going to be using my feet in order to hold the chair in place. So like this. The armrests need to be facing the pedals. So it's gonna go like so. And I'm gonna push it in. It goes in a little bit, and then I'm gonna grab this right here and I put that in there. and then I'm going to kind of screw it in there. You don't want to make it too tight. As you can see, it's still, you know, loose, but that's the point. And you put that in there. And we're going to essentially do the same thing here. So this is what it looks like. So you're going to grab the backrest and we're gonna place it in here, but you're not gonna put it straight. So it's not gonna go straight down. We're gonna put it at an angle. Push it against the couch. Come. Ultimately, in the first step, you want it to be in this position. So notice the first screw is in. See, the first screw is in from both. Once you have it in this position and then, you know, it's somewhat steady, what we're gonna do is we're going to screw in the screws, and then we're not gonna tighten it all the way. We're going to pretty much just gently, you know, slide this up like this. See this metal right here? Right there. We're going to just move this back a little bit so that way it aligns. And then we're gonna do the same thing over here. Okay, so once all the screws are in, obviously they're loose. So we'll start by tightening the screws. So you are pretty much done with the, you know, with your new glorious office chair. And the last step is to cover the screws. You know, you simply pop this in, pop it in like that, and you are good to go.